For today's literary feast, we will be making Panther's Pastries from Alice's Adventures in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. The ingredients we're going to be using today: stewed beef, carrots, celery, fresh parsley, minced garlic, onions, fresh rosemary, Yukon yellow potatoes, beef broth, tomatoes paste, and these puff pastries. Okay, now we're going to be making the tea while the beef stew cooks. We're making an English afternoon loose leaf tea, which will pair nicely with our stew.